how to run TikTok ads on 2023 and 2024.
Today we want to show you the strategy we used to make 30K with TikTok ads. The end goal of this video is to show you guys that dropshipping is not impossible at all. You just need to put a hell of a work and the right strategy.
First of all, we're gonna need to test our product. So we will do a testing campaign on TikTok ads. We'll create an ABO campaign, as you can read here, with 5 ad groups and 1 creative in each ad group. But don't worry, we will guide you through all the process.
Let's jump on the TikTok ad account.
Now we are here on the TikTok ad account. First of all, we're gonna hit create here, the red button. We're gonna create a new campaign. We're gonna do custom mode, so we're gonna create a custom campaign, and we will select website conversions because we want conversions. Here you can type the name of your campaign. For the end of this video, we're gonna call it testing. Now we're not gonna touch any of this stuff. We're not gonna touch it. Don't do anything wrong here, mate. Let's go ahead and click continue. Now we will start setting up our ad groups. We're gonna call the ad group ad 1. I'm gonna explain the why to you just in a few seconds. Here in optimization location, guys, you will have to connect your TikTok pixel. Please go ahead and look a video on YouTube on how to create and connect your TikTok pixel to your store. This is very easy, so go ahead and do it. We will connect our pixel here, and on optimization event, you will have to go and click complete payment because we want TikTok to optimize our campaign to complete payments. Now go on here on placement and click on select placement and unselect global app bundle and bundle. We only want to advertise on TikTok and that's it. Also click on advanced settings and unclick user comments, click turn off, video downloads and video sharing. We don't want this stuff on our campaign.
We don't want TikTok to optimize our ads to the wrong people. For instance, if a dropshipper see our ads and give like, comment and save it, TikTok will recognize this and will start to show it to dropshippers. And of course, we don't want that.
We don't want that, mate. Now we move ahead with the targeting. Here on location, we like to do United States or United States and Canada, but not more. On gender, don't select any specific gender. Only if your product is really based to any gender. Like for example, if you are selling nail polish or something really related to women, just go ahead and click female because no man is gonna buy it.
You don't know, it's 21st century.
On ages, go ahead and click 18-24, 25-34, 35-44, 45, etc, etc, etc. Go ahead and unselect 13 and 17 because these people more likely they will not have a credit card and they will not waste the money on your website. It's the most likely common cases. Once you have done this, you can go down to your budget and put your budget to $20 and that's it. You will schedule your ads to the next day on midnight. So we are on 8, we will put it on 9 at 00, so they will start running at midnight and that's it basically. Here as well, we are not gonna touch anything and we will click next. On your ad name, we will go ahead and call it ad 1, exactly same as ad. On set custom identity, you will have to create the custom identity of your brand. If your brand is called Logitech, you will have to go ahead and put your name Logitech and your logo, etc, etc. You go ahead and create new custom identity here and you do it. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Go ahead and do it, please. It's very important. Moreover, down here, we have to upload our creatives. We'll click upload and we will drag the file of our ad, the ad you want to test. You will go here, you will drag it here and you will upload it and that's it. On text, you will put the copy that you want. I would suggest you to put something easy, like 50% off, free shipping, something like it. So you can go ahead and put flash sale ending soon. Let's use this one. And last but not least, you will have to put the URL of your website. So if your brand is Logitech and you are trying to sell X product, you will go ahead and put the landing page of your product. You will put it so people, when they see your ad, they can go to your landing page. Once you have done all of this, you will go ahead and click submit. And that's it. You have launched your testing campaign. Once you have clicked submit, you will have your testing campaign right over here. Of course, mine one is turned off and it's not working because I did not launch anything, but you will have the campaign right here. And you can go to ad groups and you have one ad group that is called ad one. And now what you will go ahead is click on your ad one, your ad group one that is called ad one. You'll go ahead and click copy and make 4 copies, because what you want to do is test one creative on each ad group. So as you can see here, you can change the ad groups names and you can test ad 2, ad 3, ad 4, and ad 5. So now, yes, you'll have 5 ad groups with 5 ads with 1 creative on each ad group.
Let these ad groups and creatives run for at least 1 day so you can start testing your products. Now, once you have let the ads run for 1 day, it's time to check the analytics.
Next day, let's go jump ahead and you will have all the analytics. So you will have your ad 2, ad 1, ad 5, ad 3, and ad 4. And all these ads, they will perform differently, because if these ads are different, they will clearly perform different, of course. So you have different CPCs, purchases, add to cart. So what we want to see here is which ad makes sales. That's what I want, because at this point, with 1 day of running with this campaign, I think at least you should have 1 sale in 1 ad. How to see if an ad group is working is just if it has sales. If it's not having sales, it's not working. For example, when we test this campaign back some days ago, we had that ad 1 had 1 sale, as you can see, conversion 1. So we know that this ad has sales and also has add to carts. We can go here on add to carts and it had 3 add to carts. So there is buying intent. People is trying to buy and also 1 people bought. So this is very important. Your first metric needs to be the cost per acquisition. If you had sales, then your ad and ad group is good to go to the next level.
And you might be wondering how we are gonna scale it.
How we're gonna do these crazy figures that you see on all YouTube videos. You will have to follow this scaling setup that we use to scale our campaigns. Now guys, if you want to receive this how to run TikTok ads cheat sheet that we use on our daily basis for completely free, go ahead on the description below, click the link that is on the description and just receive it for completely free. It's so easy and you will be able to start scaling and testing your campaigns. Now, so let's go ahead and create the scaling campaign. Go ahead, select your winner ad. In our case was the ad 1. Go ahead and click copy, and instead of existing campaign, you'll go ahead and create new campaign. We'll call this CBO scaling, and we will create 3 copies of the same ad group. Select copy, and now we have our new CBO campaign. Go ahead guys and click campaign budget optimization, aka CBO, and set your budget to 50 euros. That's how we're gonna start scaling. Click on continue. We will name this ad group 1, and please go ahead, as you can see here, and put the same settings that we just taught you on the testing campaign. The optimization and complete payment, the placement, the advanced settings, the targeting, the ages, everything exactly the same. Just do the same thing as the testing campaign, please. Once you have done all of that, go ahead and click next. On the ad section, you will have your winner ad. You will not have to change anything because it's already working. It's the ad that got you the sales. So there is no issue to change anything. Just please go ahead and click smart creative ads. This is very important. And here you'll add 5 pieces of copy. So you will be able to A/B test different copies that might perform better than other ones. For example, something like this. And that will be it. Go ahead and click submit and start your CBO campaign. So now we'll have our CBO scaling, as you can see here, at 5 euros per day with our 3 ad groups, and that will pretty much it.
But how the fuck we're gonna scale it? Because actually 50 euros is a very low budget.
As you can see here on our free cheat sheet, we have how we're gonna scale this. So what we're gonna do, bro?
We are gonna do the famous strategy of surf scale.
We love it.
So in what consists surf scale? Basically consists in this. Every time we have 3 sales, we're gonna double down the budget. For example, if we start with a $50 budget, I'm gonna raise it at $100 when we have 3 sales.
Then from 100, you can go to 250, from 250 to 500, and go and on and on and on. Of course, always if you are profitable. If you stop being profitable, just stop, double down the budget and wait and see your results. Just don't go too crazy over it. But if you're still profitable, go for it. That's the way to scale and to make money nowadays with TikTok ads. Then at midnight, go ahead and reset the budget back to $100 and just do it again the next day, and do it again and again and again, and that's it. And then your second way to scale to even make more money, you can go and duplicate your CBO. So now instead of having one CBO and surface scale it, you will have 3 CBOs and surface scale it. So you will make 3x the money, or 5 or 10 or 100. It depends really on how you take it to the next level. It all depends on you, mate. And dropshipping is easy. You only have to have the knowledge and the skills and a strategy to make it happen.
So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and tell us if you have any idea for a new video. We will be glad to do it. What are your thoughts, bro?
Maybe we can do some dropshipping, TikTok organic, something like this,
That
really
would be
viral.
dope.
I am looking forward
Maybe
to
we
it.
can do Mikey Again challenge. So see you in the next video.